This is Howard B. Richmond. I'm going to talk about how to get a refill for this elongated click pen. These were kind of common promotional giveaways in the 1960s and 1970s. And you might still come upon some unusual lengths, but it's basically impossible to find the refills for these. So that's why we've created an extender system. So the click is working, but as you can see, the ink has dried up. So this is how it works. First I want to show you the comparison. This is a normal length, and this is the extended length. It's quite a difference. So what we do is we're going to take the new X10 refill, which you now can get from our company, and we're going to add these two little pieces of plastic. There's the connector and there's the extender. This little piece goes around the refill about halfway in, and then you put the extender piece through that. You just kind of twist it and push it and make it kind of half and half. Now it's long. Actually, it's longer than what you want. So what we do is we're going to cut it off. We're going to cut off the end. So what I do is I match it to the proper length, and then I just cut it with the scissors. Now it's better to be a little bit long, and you can always cut it down again. So let's see, I'm going to hold it up to each other. It looks pretty good. I did a good job. So I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put the new one in here. See if the click works. The click works. And all right. So I wanted to show you, I've already done examples of if it's slightly too short or slightly too long. Okay, this one's perfect. This one is too short. It's just a couple millimeters too short. But if it's too short, the click will work. But look carefully, when it comes out, it's hardly out. You can hardly see it. Let me see if I can get a background. It hardly stays out because it's too short. So you wouldn't want that. You might have cut off too much. And then this one's too long. This is not so bad because you can always cut more off. So when you have this, the problem is it doesn't even push at all. That's really depressing. So, but you could always cut it down a little bit more until it's the right size, and then it'll work. All right. Thank you for watching.